What is a mihi? Some people are familiar with it as a pepeha, others familiar with it as whakapapa, and others familiar with the term mihi mihi. And I'm here to tell you that it's all of those things and more. It's actually the combination of those things that makes it really, really special. So let's start with what a mihi is for. On many occasions, people use mihi to introduce themselves. And it's actually a great way for you to share a little bit about yourself with other people. Beyond that though, it has many more uses. In fact, the art of mihi is the ability to connect yourself to others, connect other people to you, and where possible, connect everybody to everybody. Now that might sound like a hard job to do in a world full of 6 billion people, but I tell you what, it's actually easier than you think. I'll now share with you some key components that can make up a mihi. It's important that your mihi has a toe. And a toe is like an anchor, something to start with and anchor everything that you're about to share with people back to. An example of a toe could be a prayer, could be an affirmation, it could be a karakia or a ruruku, or it could just be a quote or some words that you know resonate with you that might also resonate with others. And it's particularly important that you have a mihi. And the mihi here that I'm talking about is an acknowledgement to the place and the space that you're in. You have components of pepeha. That is generally your connections to place, acknowledging both where you come from on your mum and your dad's side. Another key component is whakapapa, which is acknowledging your genealogical connections back in time. And generally, those genealogical connections connect you back to people as much as they connect you back to place. It's also important to have a wakatoki, which could be a cool saying, or words that your family have shared for a long time, or words that you think your audience might resonate with, or just words that are really special to you. You'd also make sure to have another mihi, or what I might call a mihi wakamutunga, and that is a final acknowledgement back to the context, the people or the place that you're speaking in. And lastly, yes, finally, you might add your name. So as you can see, a mihi is more than just acknowledging a mountain, or a river, or your mum and dad. It's actually about crafting together words that'll help you connect to people and help those people connect back to you. That's the purpose of a mihi. So my encouragement to you all is to start in English, understand what a mihi is about, and then explore using the Maori language, and in time, you might be able to use other languages too.